Hi, beautiful, beautiful, spicy family. D-Don is in the kitchen again to do what? Yes, I know you always get it right. Mint papaya lemonade. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don upload a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter, follower, subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Without you guys, I would be here on YouTube. I would have a channel. So big up, respect. I love you all. Some cube ice. About 6 or 8 cubes of ice, 1 lime or lemon, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, the papaya, like 1/4 cup of papaya, and fresh mint. You have to ensure that the mint is fresh, not the dry one. Honey, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, and the honey is your choice, depends on what you want for sweetening. The sugar too is for sweetening, or the honey. You can use the honey or the sugar, you can use both, or you can use anything you enjoy using for sweetening. So with the papaya, for those of you who don't know papaya, sometimes you go to the store, it already cut and they already take the seed out. The seed is a lot of seed line it, so you have to take the seed out. Sometimes you buy the papaya, you peel it, and sometimes you don't have to peel it. You can just cut it just like this and scoop it out with a spoon. It's very good for constipation. You constipate and you eat a piece of papaya, it's good to go. And this is also a papaya. This is an old papaya but a smaller version. So you go to the supermarket or the store, wherever, this is how the papaya look. And when you cut, as I tell you before, it's have the color like this. And then you take the seed out. When you buy the mint, you have to look for any leaf anything that is spoiling look like this. You just search the leaf and take them out. You don't want all of these to make your drink. After you finish, you're just gonna hold the mint in your hand, try even it like, and you see how this is black because they already cut it in the store. So we're gonna clip off all the end part of the mint like this. You just hold it and you clip it. If you don't have a kitchen scissors, you can use a knife. You put it on your cutting board and you just cut it just like that. Like me now, I just hold it like this in my between my finger and just clip like that. So we have to clip off and take off all the leaf that is spoiling from the mint. And you need a small piece of ginger. If you don't have the old ginger, you can always use a ginger juice. And just take off any part you see look not good, like it's gonna spoil it, just cut it off like that. You don't have to peel your ginger. And this is a ginger juice, so if you don't have the old ginger and you want to use a ginger juice, you can always use a ginger juice, but just 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon. So we're gonna cut the lime and we're gonna extract the juice. After you finish clean, and you have to wash your mint under running water. You can use some warm water And we're gonna extract the juice from the lime. If you're using lemon, you extract the juice or squeeze the juice out if you don't have an extractor. So with the papaya, you're just gonna cut a piece. Just like how I cut this piece from it, you cut off a piece of the papaya and you just use a spoon to scoop it out. You don't have to peel it. Just use a spoon and go all around. Just like that. Take it out and replace it in the jug that you're gonna blend it in. I'm scraping the meat out. Don't use too much papaya, guys. If you use too much papaya, then the drink's gonna be too thick, and we don't want it to be too thick because based on the amount I'm using, you're gonna put the mint in along with the ginger. So here we're gonna add a bottle of water. Guys, you're watching the video today and you like what you see and you have not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please be sure to like the video, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dan upload a video. And now we're ready to mix up and blend up, but not people business. We're gonna mix up the papaya with our mint and ginger. You place it on the NutriBullet, or if you have a juice, a blender, you're gonna use a blender. We're just gonna blend for 30 seconds. You see why it's important for you to strain. Remember, we're using the mint, so you have to strain just until no more juice come in. You see, like that. Then we show this out, and rinse the sieve, and we're gonna strain again. So I rinse the container. I put this back in the jug, and we're gonna strain again. And guys, like how the time is so hot, don't use milk to sweeten your stuff. Just use some ice. So see, we get a little more trash. Alright. And then we're gonna pour this out. Then I'm gonna add the lime juice and the honey. Remember, you're just gonna sweeten to your lightness. You can always taste to know if you need some more sweetener in it. With the ginger and the lime, oh guys, it bring out all that taste. So here I decorate my glass, and I'm gonna add the ice in. This is our lemonade papaya mint drink. Ideal for the summer. Any hot day, you're thirsty, you're dehydrated, this is a drink. The stamina drink that will bring it back and make it feel rehydrated again. So give it a try. Don't hesitate. Give it a try. And this is brand new. So beautiful people, I thank you for watching D-Dan Kitchen. Please take care of yourself, and above all, let us be our brother's keeper. Let us always give an eye out for each other. And remember to what? Come over to D-Dan Kitchen. Don't just watch a video and leave it alone, guys. Subscribe, like the video, share the video. so other people can see and learn. This is a learning channel. I love you all. Peace and love. And where I see you where on the next one. Bye for now.